Hello, I'm Ashley from Through the Loop Yarn Craft, and today we're going to make the everlasting infinity scarf. I love this infinity scarf because it's really quick and easy to make. It's nice and light, perfect for spring. And of course, by using the Lion brand Ferris wheel yarns, the colors are just fantastic. For the original one I made, I used the colorway Cotton Candy, and today I will be using this one is Full Moon, so I'm really excited to see how that turns out. I originally used about 184 yards, but of course you can make your scarf longer and use a little bit more yarn. So that's not even a whole cake of Ferris wheel. I'm using a 6mm crochet hook, and today I'll be using one of my favorite furls. The finished dimensions I got for my scarf is about 4 inches wide and 59 inches long, which make it perfect for double looping. While you're here, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and let me know you're watching. And I'll link below as well. You can pop over to the blog where I have more free patterns and tutorials to take a look at. So let's grab our supplies and make the everlasting infinity scarf. All right, to begin, we are going to start with a chain of 21. So we're going to start, of course, with our slip knot and chain 21. And 21. And we are ready for row 1. So this scarf is working in the shorter lengths. So we're going to be working back and forth in rows widthwise. As you can tell, that makes it really easy to adjust the length because you can just keep going or stopping once you have the length you like before you attach the ends. For this pattern, we're going to be using the extended single crochet stitch, which is one of my favorites, and it works up quite quickly. So to begin row 1, we're going to start by working in the 5th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to insert into that chain and pull up a loop, and then we're going to yarn over, pull, and just pull through one loop only, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. Now this first piece here with the chains we skipped, that's going to count as one single crochet and one chain. So now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to skip a chain and do extended single crochet in the next. And chain 1. And we're just going to repeat that all the way across. So skip 1, extended single crochet, and chain 1. And then we're just going to extended single crochet into the last chain. And then at the end of that row, you should have a total of 10 stitches. So to finish up row 1, we're going to chain 3 and turn. And that chain 3 will count as the first stitch of row 2. So to begin row 2, we're going to skip this chain space and work our extended single crochet into the next stitch. And chain 1. And we're going to do that all the way across. We're going to skip the chain space and work into the next stitch. And chain 1. And just repeat that all the way across. Now for the 10th stitch, we're going to work right into the top of this last chain. And there we go, row 2. And then to end, we will chain 3 and turn. And now we are ready for row 3. Now for row 3 and moving forward, we're going to repeat row 2 exactly the same. And we're going to do that until the desired length. And I did a total of 140 rows, but again, you can adjust that to any length you'd like. So let's repeat row 2, and I will meet you back here at the end. I have now done 139 rows, so I thought I would come back and join you for the last one. And I haven't made this one in a while, and I forgot how quickly it just works up. Now, as you can see now, you still have quite a, if you're using the Ferris wheel, you can see that there's some of the cake left. And so you can make it longer if you'd like. This, with my 140 rows, I have about 59 inches in length. So you can definitely make that longer if you'd like. If you're using a different 4-weight yarn, then you can also make that the length that you desire. But I'm going to stop here. So that's 140 rows. So now we need to join it. So being careful here not to twist the scarf. We want to bring the two ends together. And we're going to just slip stitch across to join. So I'm just going to work into the chain spaces here. So we're just going to work across and slip stitch through each stitch and chain space. And as you can tell, it will be the chain, the starting chain on the opposite side. And just do that all the way across. And there we go. Once you're at the end, we will just cut that yarn and tie off. And there we have our everlasting infinity scarf. Thank you again so much for joining me today. I do hope you enjoyed the everlasting infinity scarf. This is such a fun one to make, and it's just so meditative while you're crocheting it up. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button to let me know. And I can't wait to see some of your scarves. So if you do post on social media, make sure you tag Through the Loop Yarn Craft. And to see the full list and descriptions and all the materials I've used, you can find that on my blog, which is linked in the description below. I can't wait to make something with you again, and I will see you next time.